Welcome class 4. I hope you have given your exam well and you got all the answers, and very good morning to all of you. Now we will start the activity book, as I have completed few of the first fill in the blank and few questions of the first part of your activity book. So today I will start from the question answer, but before that I will just revise orally the first part, whatever we have already completed, but I will just go through the revision so that you will come to know the answers. Okay, once you revise this, question number 1, fill in the blanks. So the first one is Omana's and Valiamma's family took a bus in the, it should be morning. Okay, so the next one is they took a dash to cross the river, it is a ferry. See, as the ferry moved in the still water, the water rippled. Third answer is rippled. Now the fourth statement or the fourth fill in the blank, Omana stood by the dash of the ferry railing, it should be railing. And the E is Omana had a long tiring but dash journey, it should be interesting. Okay, now there are 3 matches. A is match with the fifth one. So the second column, fifth one is both road and water transport, and its name is hovercraft. Okay, this is a hovercraft, it should be the hovercraft. The second or the B match is B match with the third one. In the B column, third one, rail track transport, and the name of the transport is train. Okay, now the next we will see the C is actually matches with C is matches with the fourth one, this is a road transport, and in the column C you will write bus, and the D is there, D will be match with which one? D will match with in a B column it should be the number 1, air transport, and the name of the air transport is helicopter. And the last one, E is matches with it is matches with the underwater transport, that means it is number 2 in the B column, and the name of this vehicle is submarine. Okay, now go through this. We will start. Is it my voice is clear to you or not? Write down. Is it my voice is clear to you? No. Now it is clear? Okay. Yes. Now write down the answers. We will, as the first 2 parts we have already completed, now we will write the question answers. So see the page number 35 in your activity book, okay, and start to write the question answer. So fourth one is, so the fourth one is actually answer the question. Answer the questions. First one is A. Where did Valiamma live? So write down the answer. Valiamma lived in Kottayam. Write down Valiamma lived in Kottayam. First question was, where did Valiamma live? And the answer is Valiamma lived in Kottayam. Now the next question, what is the difference between a boat and a ferry? So we will write the answer 1 or the answer B. Boat means a device used for transportation of goods, fishing, racing, recreational, or military purpose. Racing, recreational or military purpose. It propelled by oars or motor. So this is about the boat. Now we will write about the ferry. But ferry means ferry means a small ship. Ferry means a small ship used to transport people, smaller vehicles, ferry means a small ship used to transport people, small vehicles, smaller vehicles and goods from one place to another. Okay, so the first answer I am repeating here so that you can understand. It should be right in the copy or in the board, whatever you feel good. Wherever you would like to write, you can write. Okay. If you think you can write in the book, you are welcome. And if you think that you will complete it in your book, space is given in the activity book, so you can write it over there also. Okay. So the first answer is Valiamma lived in Kottayam. And the second answer, boat means a device used for transportation of goods, fishing, racing, recreational or military purpose. It propelled by oars or motor. But ferry means a small boat, ship or small ship used to transport people, smaller vehicles and goods from one place to another. Okay, now the C answer or answer C. Question C is, what did Omana see during her journey in the ferry? So, whatever she has saw, we will write it down. Omana saw the rippling of still water Omana saw the rippling of still water. Omana saw the rippling of still water and rows of rows of coconut trees Omana saw the rippling of still water and rows of coconut trees, people bathing, washing, fishing and working, along the bank of the river during her journey. In the ferry. Okay, so the next answer is, answer C is, Omana saw the rippling of still water. Omana saw the rippling of still water and rows of coconut trees, people bathing, washing, fishing and working along the bank of the river during her journey in the ferry. Okay. Now, the next one is, or the next question, how is railway timetable useful? So we will write this answer. I will rub the first one. Railway timetable. Question answer. This is answer D. So the railway timetable gives a clear explanation of arrival and departure railway timetable gives a clear explanation of arrival and departure of train about the major stations What are the major stations? Major stations, classes. Major stations, classes, availability of pantry, availability of the pantry. Pantry means the food will be served in the train or not, or they will get the food inside the train or not. So that is the pantry department. Okay. So the railway timetable will show you all the explanations, just like the arrival and the departure of the train, major stations, whether in which classes are there, AC1, AC2, second class, whatever the classes of the train, and availability of the pantry and other facilities. Other facilities. Other facilities according to the train name, according to the train stoppage, according to the train stoppage or train name. Route details. route details are also provided. So the answer D is, railway timetable gives a clear explanation of arrival and departure of train, major stations, classes, availability of pantry and other facilities according to the train stoppage or train name. Route details are also provided. So from the timetable you will come to know all type of details, and all the things will be clear in your railway timetable book. It is a type of a book, or it's a small kind of book where you will get all the details of the train. Okay, so write it down. And the last question, your time is over, so I'm ending it with this answer. And the last answer, already we have written this answer once, but still I will write in my next class. Okay, thanks for the class, have a nice day, and kindly write down your presence or absent. Whether you are present, so you will write present ma'am along with your name. Thank you.